Some cities grow, some evolve, but Nagpur, it's doing both.
More breaking news coming in on the broadcast from Nagpur this time.
देश की ऑरेंज कैपिटल नागपुर अब मुंबई पुणे जैसे महाराष्ट्र के बड़े शहरों को चुनौती भी दे रहा है
20 days, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated new metro corridors. The Nagpur Metro.
इंडस्ट्री, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य
NMC is doing everything it can to make it to the center's list of 20 smart cities.
Strategically placed, structurally planned, and silently powering India's future. This isn't just urban expansion, it's a blueprint for progress, where infrastructure, industry, healthcare, education, and smart tech move with intent. At the heart of India, Nagpur is now at the heart of opportunity for global investors, Indian enterprises, and future-focused home buyers. And this isn't hype. It's hard numbers, bold development, and a real estate marketing exceeding expectations. Welcome to Nagpur, the pulse of tomorrow. Welcome to Ocean Realtors, where vision meets value. In 2022, as metros held steady, Nagpur surged ahead with a 66% spike in housing demand. Driven by large-scale planning and seamless connectivity, Mumbai-Nagpur Expressway, 2 mega cities, 8 hours apart. Outer Ring Road, 64 kilometers of decongestion and access ready by April 2025. Nagpur Metro, connecting Hingna, Mihan, Kamti, residential meets business. And add to that the Smart City Mission, Mihan SEZ, and airport expansions, transforming Nagpur into a logistics, IT, and export hub. And big names are betting big on Nagpur. Kalpataru, Godrej, Lodha, and even FDI-funded townships are shaping the city's next-gen skyline. With a 2 trillion rupee GDP, 90% literacy rate, and a central location, the city is a magnet for innovation. TCS, Infosys, HCL, the IT backbone, Dassault, Reliance, shaping aerospace. 18,000 rupee plus crores in green energy and manufacturing. Expanding warehousing under Bharatmala. Luxury is catching up. Taj, Hilton, Phoenix Mall, and premium living are making their mark. Healthcare, AIIMS, and the National Cancer Institute are making Nagpur a medical magnet. Education, Triple IT, IIM, National Law University, Symbiosis, building a future-ready talent pool. Mihan is rising as a high-tech pharma and DRDO hub. Agro-processing, MSMEs, textile parks, all fueling jobs, demand and long-term value. And the numbers tell the story. Wardha Road, 619 crore rupees flyover, 64 kilometers of outer ring road, and 100-plus acre mega townships. Wardha Road isn't just growing, it's blowing up. And guess what? Ocean called it early and is now dropping major projects right at the heart of the action. 55,000 crore rupee, 701 kilometer long Hindu Hriday Samrat Balasaheb Thackeray Maharashtra Samruddhi Mahamarg is redefining Mumbai-Nagpur travel. Hingna, 60% rise with infra upgrades. Samruddhi Corridor, 5.2 times projected growth by 2035. Now, what makes Nagpur irresistible? Affordable entry points versus Tier 1 cities. High rental yields in Mihan, Hingna, Wardha Road. Gated communities offering modern, green, global living. Upcoming Nagpur-Goa Expressway, unlocking new frontiers. Nagpur's rise isn't on paper. It's real. And now is the moment to act. Ocean Realtors, with 7+ landmark projects, is at the center of this change. We don't just build, we future-proof. Whether you are an investor eyeing the next leap, a partner chasing high conversions, a buyer seeking long-term value, Nagpur is the place. Ocean Realtors is the partner. Let's not just invest in square feet. Let's invest in the future. Nagpur, the heart of India. The future begins here.